Hi, this is Count My Crypto screencast. My name is Bruce. I'm one of the developers at Count My Crypto, and this screencast is going to be concentrating on um, the mobile device. In this case, I've got the iPhone simulator from the Xcode Developers Kit, and this is this is how Count My Crypto looks. There we go. It loads it up. Wonderful. Okay, so if you haven't seen any of these screencasts before, this is a very brief version of introducing the mobile interface. So the top tip really is using barcodes or QR codes and saving the shortcut as a link onto your phone screen for convenience. Let's see, very briefly, this is very similar on the desktop site, except because we've restricted with space, you have to change your fiats over here like that. So let's change that one to euros. Okay, close that down. Everything else pretty much works the same. It's just a little bit more awkward because it's a phone. Let's get rid of this and start again. Okay. So let's add a coin. We'll have dog coin. Okay, and we've got 123,000 because everybody loves the dog. Here it is. Okay, so the main difference is the QR icon doesn't actually show you the QR code. This is what it looks like when there is an active QR code saved on your device, and then there's just the generic symbol for when you don't. So let's add one in. Let's add a QR code. There we go. It's the same procedure. You enter in your QR wallet address. It turns green when it's correct, and you save it onto your phone. There we go. The icon is now changed to a dark icon, and if you do click it, it shows you your QR code. There we go. So we've got one for Bitcoin, and we've got one for Dogecoin, and you can open and close them to suit yourself. We have developed this feature for people that are going to be using the ATMs in future. It's a very easy way of having your QR codes all neatly wrapped up in one single place so that you can transact with the ATM or transact with other users without having to carry your computer around or point things at websites and things like that. So we do hope that you're going to find this this little feature of great use. We're hoping to set up a meeting with one of the ATM vending machines in London, and we'll do a live video of actually how this feature interacts with the machine in the real world. But this is pretty much the basics of it. Once you've got your Bitcoin investment set up and your QR code, the only other question is, well, how do I remove a QR code? Perhaps I want to replace it because I've changed wallets. It's very simple. You open up the row and you click on the QR code, and just like the website, you would want to select all and delete it and save it. We'll reset it to 0. there we go. There's not much more to tell you about this. There are a couple of bugs that we have noticed, which hopefully by the time this video is released we'll have sorted those out. If you open a row, we've noticed that the input field is too long, which we'll sort out, but outside of that it's pretty much behaving like the website does, and we'll constantly keep the mobile app up to date, and please feel free to send through any bug reports. But the last thing to cover in this screencast is, if you're an iPhone user, you've probably know this already. So to add a shortcut onto your home screen, you just click this little icon over here, and you edit the shortcut because it's a bit long, really. So we'll call it count my crypto, points at the address, and that's it. Click add, and there it is. So we've had a couple of people asking us, are we going to be doing apps? And yes, we are going to be doing apps for Android and for the iPhone, but the development cycle is much more complex than a responsive website that works on mobile. And the only real addition that we think you as a user would want is the ability to have the QR reader embedded in the app, so you don't have to exit the app to do a barcode reading or things like that. And this will allow lovely features like syncing your desktop to your phone with one scan of a QR code, things like that. So we have got some ideas, and it's just really down to the time and the cost of developing those things. So yeah, that's a future project that you can look forward to. Once again, if there's any features or requests or bugs that you find, please get hold of us on Twitter, and let us know. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.